Hey everybody, welcome back to BrikSnap. We've been hard building and testing the new feature. Today we have an exciting news. We delivered this huge feature onto BrikSnap, and that will allow you to be able to match more builds based on your own parts. Not just Lego sets, but sets from other brands too. But this is still the beginning. We currently don't have many build lists yet. It really needs your help and contribution to make this work faster. So this is how it works. From your own library, go to My Parts, click on Build a Set. Here you can click on the button to start building the part list. Search for a set number or its name. Here there are two options. When you look at the instruction manual, if they already provide the part list, then it's easy to just enter all of them one by one. Otherwise, choose by step to enter the parts step by step. But you can select anyone for now. It doesn't matter. Once started, you will see the instruction manual on the left side and the search and enter parts on the right side. At this time, you can check on the instruction manual and see if it provides the part list. If you want more space on this page for entering parts, you can open the instruction on another tab and hide the manual. As of now, you can still choose to bulk enter the parts or by step, regardless which one you select. Once you enter a part, then it's locked in. For example, let's search and enter the first part. You can first select the type from the part type drop-down list. If the type has size difference, then you can select the size filter. After that, try your best to match the color of the part to the instruction manual. You can also enter the quantity before adding the part. You will see that by step is first selected. As soon as you enter a part, it's set to by step unless you clear up the parts list. Then you can choose again. It really depends on what the instruction shows and how you feel like it. Now you can continue to search and enter parts. If this is your first time doing it, it's normal to feel challenging to find the right parts. But as building block fans, don't we like challenges? As soon as you browse more and search more, you will start remembering which part belongs to which type. Sometimes indeed there are parts that are not regular or common. Don't worry. BrikSnap allows you to scan a part to find out its number and name. Go back to My Parts. Add Parts. Here you can scan a part and just select a screenshot of a part. Most of the time, if it's a Lego part, it can detect what it is. If it's a unique part from other brand, it's not in our catalog, then what can we do? We provide a substitution section allowing you to replace those parts with regular Lego parts. Most of the time, you can find a substitution part or using multiple parts to replace a submodel. When entering substitutions, you need to provide which step the substitution is for, and you also need to indicate which part and provide the image of the part so it's clear, and then select any catalog parts that will replace the original parts. Make sure to select color as well. If you like, you can also provide a description and image for clarification. This is also another challenge, and it's actually fun to figure out how to replace the parts. After a substitution is added, of course, you can edit or delete it. If you really can't think of a way to replace the parts, add them to the Miss tab so people are aware these parts will need to source them somewhere. Or there might be some masters who can help later on. After you think all the parts are added, you can choose to match your parts to determine how many parts you still need to build this set, and you can also share to the public. We strongly encourage you to share to the public if it doesn't exist, so there will be more non-Lego sets with part list to be generated. Once the part list is shared, other users will also know how many parts they need to build this set. Of course, when you see others' part lists, and if you think it's incomplete and you can make it better, feel free to submit your own or copy theirs and make adjustment. Why is this feature so important? We already have parts list for most of the Lego sets. When you go to My Parts and then Build Match, it can already match Lego sets that you can build with your own parts. But for other brands, again, we now need your help and contribution to make this work faster, and to feel the usefulness of these features. An important step is to add your own parts to your own inventory so we can match for you. Okay, this is what we want to show. Hope you like it and start using it. Enjoy BrikSnap.